Bonjour tout le monde. I bought this old Makita HP2040 to replace my 10-euro reliable Chinese driller. To brush, I use only to brush the old paint, the rust, something like that. So it's really enough. I bought that for 15 euro. And I will try to replace the brushes. Look like it's a bit sparkling, so let's see if we can get something from this. Allez, allez! Ta-da! It's not a driller, it's a gearbox. I guess the concept for those models of drillers, Makita drillers, would be the same. So that's why I share with you. Alors, let's see if it's the same parts. Look like no. Ah oui, but it's not dead. Just like that. Really easy. I folded a little to hide tightness, but it's useless. Anyway, it's held by the plastic surrounding, so it cannot remove alone. Up. Just like this. See? It's held by two clips. That one and that one. Just pull up. And that's it. Let's see now. Parfait. Old school Makita, 15 euro. Parfait pour moi. 15? 5? I'm not George Clooney, but what else? So that's it, guys. It's a small video, but I cannot do more longer. See you next time. Bye bye.